Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to add a calendar in Outlook 365. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to add a new calendar in Microsoft Outlook 365, you can open up Outlook and then you can click on the calendar icon down here. Yours might also be on the left pane there, but just click on the calendar icon. Then once you're here, make sure the Home tab is selected. And then here you can click on Add Calendar and you can click on Create New Blank Calendar. Now in this next window, you can give it a name. I'll just call this My Calendar and you can leave it on Calendar Items. And then next you'll need to choose an account where you want to save this calendar. I'll just choose the first account there and then click on OK. Now here in the left in the Calendar section, if I scroll down, I'll find this new calendar called My Calendar. And if I click on that, I can now see the new calendar that I added, which is called My Calendar. So I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.